Good morning, Class 5. Welcome back to your science class. I hope all my students are enjoying online school. This is the beginning of the 6th week and I am about to start the first lesson. I hope everyone has completed their homework and has submitted all the previous assignments. Before we start today's topic, we must revise what we have already discussed about the brain. In the previous lesson, I told you about the amazing brain and its three parts, cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. I also explained the functions of these parts. Today we will continue unit number 1, brain and nerves. The topics for today's discussion are nervous system, nerves, types of nerves and reflex actions. Please keep notes of all those points which are not clear to you. I will answer all your queries after this video. Let's start. The nervous system is the first topic. Brain, spinal cord and nerves make a very efficient communication network. This network is known as the nervous system. It controls the actions and movements of our body. This is a very sensitive and delicate system. Nerves connect our body with the brains and spinal cord. Nerves from the head and neck region are connected directly to the brain. Nerves from other parts of the body are connected to each side of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is connected to the brain. The next topic is nerves. What are the nerves? The nerves work like telephone wires. They connect every part of our body to the central nervous system, which is the brain and spinal cord. All the nerves in our body are made up of nerve cells. Nerve cells need oxygen and energy to work. Nerve cells cannot mend or regrow if damaged. Nerve cells cannot be replaced if they die. Therefore we must take care to avoid head injuries. Head injuries can cause permanent damage to the brain or even death. There are two types of nerves in our body: sensory nerves and motor nerves. Now I will explain the differences between these nerves. Sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. These nerves tell the sense organs what they have seen, smelt, tasted, heard or felt. But motor nerves send signals from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles and glands. These signals carried by motor nerves make muscles move. This is all about sensory and motor nerves. Now I want to ask you a question. Tell me what happens to your body when you step on a pin or touch a hot object? Think about it. My dear students, when we step on a pin, we automatically pull our foot away. Similarly, if we touch a hot object, we quickly drag our hand back. What is this action called? How do we respond so quickly? I have the answer to these questions. These quick actions are called reflex actions. These are the actions which are performed without thinking. These are controlled by the spinal cord. Let me explain reflex actions with an example. When you step on a pin, nerve endings in the sole of your feet feel pain. The message of pain reaches to the spinal cord. Spinal cord instructs the muscles of the feet, through the motor nerves, to move away. All this is done in less than a second. Therefore the brain is not involved in these actions. Other examples of reflex actions are sneezing, coughing, dilating pupil when exposed to a large amount of light, withdrawing your hand from a hot object and vomit reflexes. Now here are the questions which you must do in your notebooks today. There are 4 short questions given on this slide. Please find answers in this video or use your textbooks. The questions are: name different kinds of nerves in the body. What is the function of sensory nerves? What is reflex action? Which part of the nervous system controls reflex actions? If you touch a hot pot, what makes you take your hand away? How does the message get to the brain? Now I will take you through the homework quickly. You can see YouTube link below. Please watch the video to thoroughly understand reflex actions. Review this presentation and answer 4 short questions mentioned in the previous slide. You have to write these questions' answers in your notebooks. Also, I am sending a worksheet with this video. Please complete the worksheet. I will see you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.